Hello everyone, welcome to 20 days challenge. How are you all? Good? I'm good. Okay, today, second day. Previous lesson, we'll talk about a girl. Who is she? Who is she? Emily. Emily is a... I couldn't hear you. Emily is a teacher. Good. She is Emily. Emily is a teacher. Who's he? Emily's father. Who's he? Emily's father. Father. Mother. Who is she? Emily's mother. Emily. Name? What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Shiva. What is his name? What is? What's his name? What's his name? His name's Shiva. His name's Shiva. Emily, Shiva, Tara. What's her name? What's her name? Tara. What's his name? He. What's his name? Shiva. She. What's her name? What's her name? Tara. Okay, now tell me, what's her name? What's her name? Emily. What's his name? What's his name? Shiva. What's her name? What's her name? Tara. He's Emily's father. He's Emily's father. Emily's. Good. Her. He's her father. Copy down, copy down, copy, photocopy, copy down. Okay, now exercise. Take your notebook, exercise. Look at this. Shiva is father. Whose father? Good. Emily's father. Don't write Emily's. Choose she or her. Which is the correct one? She or her? Which is the correct one? Understood? Fill in the blanks. Yes, you have to write. Shiva is Emily's father. Are you going to write here Emily? Are you going to write here Emily? No. Choose one. One is correct. Choose the correct one. Okay? Do it now. Now. Do it. Finish? Okay, tell me the answer. Shiva is her father. Good. Shiva is her father. Tara is good. Her mother. Very good. Other exercise. Make sentence. Emily, teacher, make a sentence. Emily is a teacher. Good. Emily is a teacher. Make a sentence. Who is Shiva? Shiva is an engineer. Shiva is an engineer. Shiva is an. No A. An. Shiva is an engineer. Shiva's an engineer. Make a sentence. Tara is a housewife. Good. Tara is a housewife. Emily is a teacher. Shiva is an engineer. Tara is a housewife. Good. Your homework. This is your homework. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. 5 words. You have to make 2 sentences for this word. Using this word. 2 sentences. Father, husband. Yes. Example. Shiva one sentence. Father. Two sentences. Understood? Using these people and using these words, you have to make sentence. Sentence. Okay? Two sentences for each. That's it. See you tomorrow. Be an example.